A very good evening to all of you. I am Balram Bharadwaj, co-founder MacLec. Along with Mr. Nayan Bharadwaj, who is the founder of MacLec, we established MacLec as the world's first of its kind company who is working solely for hydrokinetics. Hereby, I'm introducing one of the most exciting inventions we have done, named SHK Energy Management System, which is based upon surface hydrokinetic turbine technology, which is already deployed, working in various locations, and awarded by NASA, European Union, World Wildlife Fund, UNDP, Swedish Energy Agency, and Government of India. Here we begins. So the technology we have, the base is two type of turbines, floating type turbines and fixed type turbines. Both are completely customizable and capable to generate hydrokinetic energy from any kind of water which has capacity to run. So utilizing the same principle, we have reduced down the requirement of renewable energy storage system based upon conventional pump storage systems to a very minimum low head systems. So the system, the technology has already been tested and approval by various government organizations, and these are the testing setups which we have done from 2014 to 2018. Recently, we have deployed a 50 kilowatt capacity, which is probably world's biggest of SHK turbine of this kind, which we have deployed in the Asia's biggest irrigation canal, and the results are as follows in front of you. Right now, we have more than 53 megawatt worth of plants under execution, which is worth of $41 million, which shows that the technology is worldwide acceptability, and we are running in a revenue positive manner. So the technology SHK EMU is different from conventional pump storage system because of the requirement of head, which is just 1 meter minimum, and the requirement of the limitations are no any, because conventional pump storage systems require at least 30 to 80 meters of head. Here we require just 1 meter, and the physics of our system is completely different than conventional pump storage, which is a gravity-based system. So that's the reason it can be deployed. So similar like these kind of turbines, we have invented which can be deployed in any canal system. So how system functions? So very simple. We have to require two reservoirs, which is first is an upper reservoir, second is a lower reservoir. The moment when we have surplus energy in the grid, the power can be drawn from the grid to pump the water from the lower reservoir to upper reservoir. Once the water is pumped and the turbine in the reservoir is full, that means the energy is stored. The moment when you require to draw the energy back, you have to channelize the water from the canal, and the turbines deployed in the canal can recover the power up to 85% in beyond capacity, and the water gets stored in the lower reservoir. The circle rotates continuously. In case of two reservoir system, in case of ocean, if you have on the other side, then you require just a one reservoir, and that can be, and the ocean itself can be utilized as a lower reservoir, and the rest system will be the same. So consider the same parameter, we can deploy this SHK energy system in any running stream, and this could be the positive, the suitable 3D explanation. So in that case, you can see you have the upper reservoir, it is next to the ocean. So just one reservoir is required. The number of the bunch of hydrokinetic turbines are there, and the power is getting collected and getting feed to the grid. So similarly, for the 50 megawatt, we require just a small capacity of area for like 125 meter into 180 meters. Similarly, for 1000 megawatt hour capacity, we require just 400 meter by 650 meters. And the cost is relatively getting reduced when your capacity is increased. This is the comparison between the conventional technologies like lithium-ion batteries, flow batteries, and our turbine system. So this system is having the cost benefit above lithium-ion batteries, flow batteries, also the life cycle, because it can run continuous considering a hydropower project, and you could require very less deployment cost and operation cost. So By using this technology, our investors can get the values like the basic physics-driven technology with no chemical fuel cost, compact, compatible storage for up to 1,000 megawatt hour in very small area. They can deploy anywhere in the world, which can reduce the energy emission intensity, fulfill energy storage demand, access to post-generation energy storage market, which is $1 trillion right now, reasonable chances to become unicorn in next 5 years. This is our glorious team, me and a chairman, along with our distinguished members of the team, and these are the key members in the MACLEC, where our technology is now getting policy support from Government of India, and we are deploying these turbines in various organizations. Thank you so much for listening me to patiently, and we will be happy to engage with you all. Thank you so much.